Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated August 2, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Without taking much time, I'll start with Nifty's chart analysis. As you can see, Nifty is finding support near some key moving averages such as your 10 EMA and your 21 DMA. That has been the key for Nifty. And in the Monday session and then the Friday session, the green line, that is the 21 DMA, is where Nifty has been finding its major support. Currently, it's around 0.6.5% from the current level, that is 90,000. 730 levels, that is the yesterday's closing, if I talk about it. On the upside, Nifty found resistance near the 20,000 mark. It was near 19,980 marks and very close to the 20,000 K. Currently, it's consolidating around your the 10 EMA moving average, slightly above the 10 EMA moving average at the moment. From the O'Neill front, the distribution day count is pretty much under control. But if the distribution day counts increases and even some key moving averages such as your 21 DMA gets reached, then the market will go from a confirmed uptrend to an uptrend under pressure. And if more distribution day gets added after we go to an uptrend under pressure, Nifty will go to a downtrend then. However, on the flip side, if your 20,000 mark gets retaken, or we are able to scale above the 20,000 levels, then or even if the current levels are still consolidated and your node distribution and the node distribution days gets added, then still your markets will remain in a confirmed uptrend. Talking about key news, as the results season is going on, you can see some results happening. And Make My Trip net profit increased to $18.6 million, and it logged its highest ever quarterly gross booking at $1.98 billion. Metro brand Q1 FY24 revenue grew 14.7% YOY to 582 crores. Profit fell 11.6% YOY, 93.5 crores. EBITDA margins contracted 400 pips YOY to 32%. Anant Raj Q1 FY24 revenue grew 98.4% YOY to 316 crores. Profit doubled to 50.7 crores. EBITDA margin contracted 18.9 from 18 to 18.9% from 20.1%. Redington Q1 FY23 revenue grew 26% YOY to 21,187 crores. Profit fell 21.2% YOY to 48 crores. EBITDA margin contracted 100 pips YOY to 2%. Bikaji's Q1 FY24 revenue grew 15% YOY to 481 crores, and profit increased 41 to 41.6 crores versus 16.2 crores in Q1 FY23. Your July auto sales data also came in, and such an important updates were that Ashok Leyland's sales grew 13.6% YOY, 3,068 units in July. TVS Motor sales grew 4% YOY to 3.26 lakh units in July. As the result season is going on, some key results are expected to be announced today, which are Titan, Ambuja Cements, Hindustan Petroleum, Interglobe Aviation, Mankind Pharma, Godrej Properties, Aditya Birla Capital, Gujarat Gas, Narayana Hrudayalaya, and Webber Global, among others. To talk about the global market update, Barring Dow Jones, the other two indices closed lower. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.2%. S&P 500 closed lower by 0.3%. Nasdaq Composite by 0.4%. Asian markets, all three indices are trading lower, and your Shanghai Composite is the one trading least. I mean, lower by 0.5%. Kospi and Nikkei trade are suffering some heavy losses at around 1.2% for Kospi and Nikkei at around 1.8%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening. I mean, 10 minutes back, it was trading at around 19,746 levels against your yesterday's closing of around 19,733. But considering the pressure in Asian markets and even in certain indices in the US, you can expect today's session to be highly volatile and maybe close in the negative territory. Talking about the chart of the day. The chart of the day for us is Astral at the moment. And if you look at it from the O'Neill perspective, the EPS trend for the stock is very good. Price strength is fair at 74. Buyer demand is great, but the stock is forming the right hand side of the base, and even the RS line is moving higher, which is a good sign for the stock. Uh, Even with the decent market cap, it is getting good momentum from the institutional investors, which is a good sign. Return on equity for the stock is very good at 17%. Yesterday, if you look at yesterday's movement, it did try to break out, but it was unable to do so. Uh, Overall, the business model, I mean, the financials plus the O'Neill criteria is very good for the stock. Let's see if the stock is able to re-break out once again or not. The stock is showing some accumulation and even good volumes in the last few sessions. If it's able to break out in today's session or maybe in the upcoming sessions, if market remains supportive, it can be a really good stock to watch out for, since the base count for the stock is in stage one only, and stage one is the lowest amount or the least stage count for any base, so it's a very good sign. So, thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.